Hi, my name is Anna Chiara Brunetti and I'm the project manager for Qamcom's contribution to the research project AFarCloud, Aggregate Farming in the Cloud. Many of us are well aware of the essential role that agriculture plays in our life. Not only is it a source of food and raw materials, but it is also often tied to the welfare of a country. Farming, however, is facing enormous challenges all over the world. The population is increasing, which calls for increased productivity, at a time where people are moving away from rural areas, which leads to a labor shortage. Farming also has to provide a livelihood for millions of people, the farmers and their families, which requires an increased cost effectiveness and for us to leverage new technologies in a smart way. And of course, we shouldn't forget the environmental footprint of agriculture, which puts the entire sector under scrutiny. For all of these reasons, we decided to join the project AFarCloud back in 2018. Financed by the European program Excel Joint Undertaking, together with national funding agencies across Europe, the project engaged over 50 partners across 13 different countries. Our collective purpose was to increase efficiency and productivity, as well as food quality and animal health. We also wanted to decrease labor costs, and we did this by leveraging cutting-edge technologies such as cloud computing, big data, and machine learning. And we developed a platform for autonomous farming, which has the potential to become the preferred solution for most farming businesses all over the globe. Qamcom's contribution to the project was twofold. Together with our partners, we have developed an AI-based system which is capable of detecting cattle animals in images captured by drones and to locate it on a map. This allows farmers to find their animals, which might be roaming freely over vast isolated areas and on rough terrain, without the need to actually go look for them. In addition to this, we have also developed a methodology to perform hazard analysis and risk assessment for autonomous systems of drones. If you want to know more about the project AFarCloud or how we at Qamcom work with industrial AI and drone safety, you can contact me or you can read more at qamcom.com.